Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most recent and most relevant drone news. Today my friends, we're back here once again with a brand new video and a quite exciting one to say the least, and that is because in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the unboxing of the DJI Mini SE Fly More combo version. And in today's video we're going to be telling you the price tag, how much is it going to be costing, and everything that's going to be included, as well as where is it going to be available for purchase, guys. Today's video is going to be quite exciting to say the least. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because in this channel we will always be the first ones to bring you the most recent and most relevant drone news, no matter what. And also, we're in the road to 10,000 subscribers, and we're currently extremely close to 7,000. So if you're watching today's video and you're not yet subscribed to the channel, well, I invite you to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family, so you can help us get to that goal, which we're really not that far away from anymore, guys. So with that being said, why don't we just go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is going to be quite exciting. Well, the DJI Mini SE was available starting yesterday, June 30th. That was when the Mini SE was first available, but it came with a surprise, and that is because the Mini SE for now will not be available worldwide. It is currently only available in certain regions such as Southeast Asia, Russia, and South America. Those are the only regions where you can purchase the DJI Mini SE on the official DJI store. Now, of course, you can manage to get your hands on the Mini SE. Probably the best way will be eBay, but keep into consideration that this will be the cheapest DJI drone to date, with the base version starting at $299. Without a doubt, it's a great price considering the specs, which is basically just a mini one on the inside, guys. So the basic version will only include your controller, the drone, one battery, one set of props, and pretty much it. Of course, your cables, but that's pretty much what you get with the base model for $299. And then for a couple extra $100, for $450, you're going to be able to get the Fly More combo version, which is going to be the one which you're going to be seeing just a second, guys. So that's going to be the Fly More combo for $450. You're going to get some extra batteries and a whole lot more stuff you're going to be seeing just a second, guys. So thanks to the guys over at Phantom Thailand. They were the first ones to upload this video. A huge thanks to them. So why don't we just go ahead and take a look at the unboxing of the DJI Mini SE, guys, right here on screen. So here it is, guys, the DJI Mini SE Fly More combo, which is going to have a price of $450, which is $150 more over what the base model will cost, which is $299. So there's our case, which is pretty much the same one that we found on the previous DJI Mavic Mini 1, which was released approximately 2 years ago. So without a doubt, it's a great case, and inside you're gonna have everything that you need in order to go out and fly. So inside of it, we're gonna be finding our controller, drone, and extra battery. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we have inside of this really nice case, which is really durable. So you don't need to worry about that. It's really nice and compact. So it will be really good. So there we have it, guys. That is the DJI Mini SE in its flesh. Pretty much a DJI Mini 2 on the outside with Mini 1 specs. So without a doubt, it's gonna be a great drone. It's gonna sell phenomenal. So there it is, guys. We have our orange tips. There's the camera, which is going to be able to shoot at 2.7K and shoot 12 megapixel still images. And I think that's going to be more than enough for beginners, and also for a backup drone is more than enough. We also have our Type-C cables. That's an improvement over what we found on the previous DJI Mavic Mini 1. Okay, so that's really good and neat to have. There's our battery, which is the same one that we found on the DJI Mini 2, so they're going to be compatible. No need to worry about that. So if you have a Mini 2 and you want to go ahead and buy the Mini SE, well, your batteries are still going to work with the Mini SE, so that's great news. Still, the weight's under 249 grams. That's also really good. You don't need to register this drone in most countries, but you still need to abide by all of the laws that apply to drones. So you still need to follow all of your local rules and regulations. So there's the DJI Mini SE, same size as the Mavic Mini 1 and the Mini 2. And there's our power button, same thing, pretty much Mini 1. And on the inside, we have already mentioned, it's a really good drone, really solid. Same colorway that we find it on the Mini 2 as well. And let's go ahead and take a look at what else do we have. There's our controller, which is the same one that we find it on the DJI Mini 1. Okay, so we don't get the Mini 2 controller, unfortunately, and this is a Wi-Fi transmission system, which is going to allow us to go up to 4 kilometers or 2 miles approximately. So there are sticks that are nice and hidden inside, and then you can just pop them on and you're ready to fly, guys. So that's a controller, definitely not the best. A lot of people don't like it, but also there's a lot of people who like this controller, so it's just up to personal preference. What can I tell you? I personally really like this controller. I think it really feels really nice in hand. So that's how you fold it. There's antenna, so it fits nice and easy in your pocket. So there's a charger, there's a charging hub, and you can charge your 3 batteries, and also you can charge your phone in case it dies. It can also be used to charge your drone or the controller as well as your phone, so that's really good to have. So you get 3 batteries, that's really good. There is your USB cable, so you can charge your phone, as we have mentioned already. Pretty much the same charging hub that we find it on the Mini 2, so pretty much the same thing. So I think that's pretty good value for your money. So that is once again our USB slot and our Type-C to charge it. So those are all of the cables you can use for the controller. So either if you have an iPhone, then you can use your lightning cable, or if you have an Android, then you can use your Type-C cable, guys. There's our little box, and inside we're gonna have some more accessories. So there are going to be our props. So we get 2 full sets of props, which is really good, especially because it's a beginner drone. In case you crash it, you want to make sure that you have extra props in case you crash this drone, so you are not left stranded without being able to fly your drone. So you get 2 sets of extra props. You get an extra set of sticks in case you lose them, and also a screwdriver for the props, because keep in mind these are not quick release props. You need to screw them with little screws, so keep that in mind, guys, when buying the DJI Mini SE. So once again, our cable, it's a Type-C cable included with your Mini SE, and then we get another extra cable. Pretty much that's what you're going to be getting with the drone. A lot of cables, your controller, extra batteries, which are 3 in total, and you get your drone itself, and of course your case, which is really nice and handy. So once again, there are all of cables, and there we have the instruction manual, which is really important to read so you know how your drone works. It's really important that you know your drone, especially if this is your first drone. It's really important that you get to know it like the palm of your hand. It's really important that you know it from the inside and the outside. It's really important. So it's really important to look through your manual. And there's our camera once again, which is able to shoot 2.7K. I think it's a great resolution. I think that for most beginners you don't really need 4K. I think 2.7K is more than enough for most people. The quality that you're going to be getting from this drone is truly phenomenal, and it's truly staggering, especially at the price point which this drone is going to be coming out, which is $299 for the base model, and in this case this is a fly more combo. Therefore you're going to be having to pay a little extra, but it's definitely well worth it, especially because of the charging hub and those extra 2 batteries, which are going to give you a 30-minute flight. And there we have the original DJI Mavic Mini, so you can have a deep view and have an idea of what's really different between these two. And the main difference are just going to be the props on the outside, and also the motors, and also there's the charging hub from the original Mavic Mini 1. So there's definitely a difference between the original Mavic Mini and the Mini SE. Also, you do get level 5 engines or motors or ESCs with the Mini SE. They're the same motors and ESCs that we find on the previous Mini 2. So that's great news. That's a big upgrade from what we find on the original Mavic Mini 1, guys. So once again, there's more accessories on that little box, which is going to be included with the Fly More combo. So you're going to be able to fit in pretty much everything. There's our batteries. On the right we have our Mini SE and Mini 2 battery, and on the left we have the original Mavic Mini battery. Now technically they're not compatible, but there have been some people which have managed to actually use your Mini 2 with an original Mavic Mini battery, so you can try to see what happens, but obviously that's not recommended and optimal. So definitely use the Mini 2 or your Mini SE battery for either drone you have. There we have it, guys, the DJI Mini SE. Without doubt a drone that's going to sell phenomenal, especially at the price point which it has at $299 for the base model, $450 for the Fly More combo. I think that the price point is really good. Without that, it's gonna sell great. Hopefully DJI is able to sell it worldwide in the future, so we don't know how that's gonna play out, but we'll see. And as soon as the Mini SE becomes available worldwide, you will hear it here first. But for now, it will only be available in certain regions, as we have already mentioned in today's video, guys. So that's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. See you tomorrow with a brand new video, guys. This is Drone in Motion, signing out.